Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is a St. Patrick's Day inspired makeup tutorial. You got your green and a little bit of gold for like the pot of gold. I really like how it came out. This is really easy and simple and wearable. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright, so my eyebrows are done. I actually used this Maybelline Total Temptation brow definer. I've really been liking this, and then my Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer on my brows today. I haven't primed my eyelids yet, and I'm just going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm just going to apply this to my eyes like this. And I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. I'm using this today because I want the colors I'm using to be pretty vibrant. So the first shade I'm going to start out with is actually this shade right here, which is Drive from this Tartiest Pro To Go palette. And I'm just going to pop this in the crease. To lighten up the crease a little bit, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's just like a nice light brown skin tone shade from this Little Black Beauty book. It's like the color Warm. I don't know. They all have different names. But I'm just going to pop this in the crease as well, just to really lighten up Drive shade. Just gonna take my Sonia Kashuk blending brush with nothing on it and blend out that crease. Just want the crease to be nice and soft and not really be like the main star of the show, you know? Next up, with this eyeshadow brush from BH Cosmetics, I'm gonna actually mix this green shade and this green shade together and pack this onto my lid. I'm really just placing the shadow with like the shape of my eye, almost kind of creating a cut crease, but not really. These shadows are a little patchy, so you really do have to work with them. Next, I'm just going to take my brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and blend out that crease, just so the green and like the brown shades that we use in the crease can really just blend together nicely. Next up is going to be the fun part, and we're going to be using some glitter. I've never used glitter before, so it's just going to be really fun. I'm using the JCat Rockin the Night Sprinkling Powder in the shade Gatsby Party. It's this really pretty gold color, and I'm just taking this brush. It's like a lip brush kind of from BH, and it's already wet. I just wet it with some setting spray, and I'm just going to pick up some of the glitter. It's super messy, and I'm just gonna pop this on the lid like all over. I don't want it to be too much glitter, just want it to be something like pretty and light. I don't know if you can tell, but it's on there. I like where it's at. I think I might add a little bit more to my right eye. I think the one trick with these glitters is you really need to keep wetting the brush. Okay, so I just got done finishing up the rest of my face. I actually decided to add a wing, and I use this Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner and Serum in Ultra Black, and I've been loving this eyeliner. I don't think I've ever gotten my wings so perfect before. This is so good, and it's a little pricey, but it's so worth the money. Now on to lips. I'm just going to use this Makeup Revolution lipstick. It doesn't have a name, which is annoying, but it's just this really nice peachy nude. I just thought it would look really pretty because I love peachy shades and greens together. That's like my favorite color combo. I don't know why, don't judge me, but I'm just going to put this on the lips. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That is always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. If you're doing anything fun and exciting for St. Patrick's Day, have fun and be safe. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!